look at question 17. This is a quadratic equation. It says we should solve d square minus 4d minus 96 equals to 0. You can use different method, but let's use factorization method. The first thing, you see these two things, multiply them together. Negative 96 times d square, that's negative 96d square. Now look for two factors such that when I multiply them, I will get negative 96d square. And when I add them together, I will get what is in the middle. That's negative 4d. And the two factors are 8d and negative 12d. So 8 times negative 12, that will give us negative 96. When I add these two together, I will get negative 4d. So I'll replace this negative 4d by these two factors. So this becomes d squared plus 8d minus 12d minus 96 equals to 0. Factorize by grouping. What's common between these two? Our d. So our d into bracket d plus 8 minus what's common here? 12 into bracket d plus 8 equals to 0. So we have d minus 12 d plus 8 equals to 0. So when you solve for this, that means our d minus 12 equals to 0. That means d is equals to 12. Or d plus 8 equals to 0. That means d is equals to negative 8. So the two answers are negative 8 and 12, which is option option C, negative 8 and 12.